Sabi ni Sir Monchi, di ba, Attorney, 1 impeachment per year? Paano po sa kaso ni Sarah from 19th to 20th Congress? Okay, first of all, this is how the law works. If you believe that something is illegal, you take it to court, the court makes the decision. Okay, in this case, some people, or in fact, the defense believes that the articles of impeachment dapat void yan. Kasi, 4 yung reklamo na inihain sa Kongreso, di ba, sa House of Representatives. Ayon sa Korte Suprema, isang proceeding per year lang, di ba? At nakalagay po yan doon sa Constitution. Take note of the word, it's not the number of complaints, it's the number of proceedings. Okay. So, nung tinanggap ni SecGen yung mga reklamo, and then finorward niya to the speaker, that already constitutes at least 1 proceeding. Okay? So, kaso, yung 3, let's say na 3 yan, at inintay-intay ni SecGen yan eh. O let's say, yung 3 yon sabay-sabay yung pag-forward. It will still rely on the interpretation of the Senate kung yung pag-transfer ng complaints ngayon to the speaker is 1 proceeding or 3 proceedings. Now, sabihin na natin, yung pinakasimple, 1 proceeding lang yon. There is still the matter of the 4th impeachment complaint na yun ang inaksyonan ng Kongreso. Ayon sa kay Congresswoman Zamora, sabi niya, kinonsolidate naman daw po at in-archive, nakakonsolidate daw po sa 4th impeachment complaint at in-archive yung 3 impeachment complaints. Ang ikinalulungkot kong i-report po ay hubali-wala po ang archiving na yan. Ang sinasabi sa Ligang Batas, 1 proceeding per year. Ang definition ng hukuman, ang proceeding ay yung pag-transfer from one office to the other already is the start or already constitutes a proceeding. So, kahit paano, whether there are 4 proceedings that have been done or 2, the question will still remain. So, ang ginawa ng Senado, imbis na sila mismo ang mag-decide doon, isinoli yung articles of impeachment, not the case, the articles only, para tatakan ito ng Kongreso at sabihin, we certify that the 1 year, 1 proceeding rule has been complied with.